Okay.
I want to see people fuck up.
Alright. Rolling?
Yeah.
Good morning from Tansen, Nepal. This is day 2 of Ride for Nepal fundraiser with myself and Nikolai, my friend from Denmark.
Okay, godmorgen alle sammen. Ja, det er fra Tansen i Nepal. Det er vores anden dag af Ride for Nepal. Første dag var vi Pokhara, kørte 126 km til Tansen.
We are raising funds to help the Nepalese people who have yet to get any help, despite the fact that it's been well over a week now. Despite all the international community pitching in to help, there are huge logistical problems here, and we're finding a way to help along with many other local people. And
Igen vores side. Giv en lille skilling. Går til et godt formål. Jeg lover, der er ikke nogen overhoveder, der får penge. Vi får ikke nogen penge. Det går alle sammen til folk i Nepal.
We would like to just check in with you and give you an update. We are in Tansen now, and this afternoon we'll be heading to Lumbini. And we'll give you another update tomorrow. Thank you very much, and please keep the help coming. Namaste.